we are headed to have some breakfast at this cafe, and then whatever. See you guys later. So she got her iced milk tea, the usual, but the ice is seeping. I like these ice. Sip. Yours coming. Mine's coming? Seven. I got mine. So I guess it's a tradition to put 4 slices of lemon in here. Sometimes like 5. Nice. So we got this fried noodle thingies. It's like sauced up. Lettuce, beef, and other vegetables. So yeah. So it's raining right now and we're struggling. I hate the rain. So right now we're going to Causeway Bay. We're at Admiralty. And it's coming. Can you guys see me? We got it. I'm famous. So it's raining. We don't know where we're going. So right now we're just waiting under this bridge. And yeah. It's raining! It's raining! Holding our secrets, leaving. Dang, it's raining hard. Oh shit. So fancy. It is raining hard. Oh. And look at the backflip. It's so slippery. If you fall, you work it. Work. Well, at least we have 1 free. We're now to the tram because it's raining. We don't know what we're doing today, so we're just gonna sit and like sightsee around this umbrella. So right now we're on the tramway. I don't know where we're going, but yeah, it's like raining pretty heavily right now, so I just decided to like avoid the rain and just. It's so nice looking. Oh, hold on, you guys can see it a bit. That's so nice. Yeah, this is a famous building that we always like. You can kind of see. No, that's not the bank. What is the Bank of China? So you can always see like in the backgrounds of like landscapes and stuff because it like really stands out. It's a unique landmark shape, landmark thing. Skyscraper. So yeah, so we're just heading to somewhere, I don't know, so I'll see you guys later. I don't know where we're at, but this place looks really nice. I know we've been here before. Manhattan. So yeah, oh, nice. Get that promo. She's a nurse. She's a nurse? Who's a nurse? 7-Eleven. What? Say I love you. Put right. She has a towel on her head. This girl. You see who? Right now we're at Jordan. We're gonna eat. And we're at the Australian Dairy Company. So we just got our egg thing. It's cold egg white. Cold egg stuff, and this place is really popular. So many people. Yeah. So I got my egg toast. Whoa. It looks different. It's just even watery and like... I think they're in a rush, but look at that. It looks really good. Eyeliner as well. So right now we just finished like a snack or afternoon tea at the Australian Dairy Company. It was pretty good. What'd you think of it? I don't really... It's not worth the hype anymore. It was kind of worth the hype. It was alright. And now we're at Sasa. This is our last... Which should I get? This one? Here. Sasa. And we're just gonna pick up some last minute items. Yeah. Do you need some IRA products? No, I'm done with them. What are you looking for? So right now we're in a bus and we're gonna head home for a while. And we're just gonna hang out there until, because we're not really hungry yet, and then we're gonna eat some dinner. So we just came up from Sasa and now, yeah, so we'll see you guys later. Going to Cafe de Coral and we're going to have some dinner. So yeah, okay, goodness, I already said it. So sorry yeah. About that. I don't know, we're going to you always say every night. That's the last vlog, but we didn't go. Cafe de Coral's over there. Either today or tomorrow, but last night I need to get my Cookie Monster. I'm craving it. I want to focus. Getting dark sided. So we're thinking about getting these sesame things, sesame paste, and she like hand grinds them too. Really just get it. This is like the sesame seeds. We're going to Cafe de Coral. So we just got a meal. She got, what'd you get? Soy sauce chicken and barbecue. And barbecue pork with Coke. I got roasted duck with chicken and lemon tea. And yeah, so. Okay guys, so we're going to end the vlog here. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, can I summarize? Okay, so today we had breakfast at this cafe, had some noodles, and then we went to Causeway Bay. And we just chilled there for a while. And then we just went to run around to different stations, and then we went to Australian Dairy Company. We had some lunch, afternoon tea, and then went back home. And then we went to have some dinner at Cafe de Coral. And then and now we're here, just chilling again. Tomorrow is our last full day here, and then on the 7th we're gonna go back home. Yeah. Let's see. So we're gonna start packing now. importing photos and videos. And yeah, so that's it for today's vlog. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Looking at you. That's it for today's vlog. See you guys.